Did you know one small transmission part can cause rough shifting, delayed acceleration, poor fuel economy, and even put your car into limp mode? Most drivers think the entire transmission is failing, when in reality, the problem could be just a bad shift solenoid. Welcome back to FixPro Garage. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 common signs of a bad transmission shift solenoid that you should never ignore before it turns into an expensive repair bill. What is a shift solenoid? The transmission shift solenoid is a small electronic valve inside your transmission system. Its job is to control the flow of transmission fluid so your car can shift gears smoothly and at the correct time. When the solenoid starts failing, the transmission may receive incorrect fluid pressure, causing shifting problems, warning lights, strange behavior, and even overheating issues. 1. Delayed gear shifts. One of the first warning signs is delayed gear shifting. You may press the accelerator, but the transmission takes a few extra seconds before changing gears. This usually happens because the bad solenoid cannot control fluid pressure correctly. As a result, the transmission hesitates before engaging the next gear, making the vehicle feel slow and unresponsive. 2. Stuck in one gear. Another common symptom is getting stuck in one gear. Your vehicle may refuse to shift up or down properly, especially in automatic transmissions. Sometimes the car stays locked in second or third gear because the faulty solenoid cannot direct transmission fluid to the correct channels. 3. Erratic or rough shifting. If your car suddenly jerks while shifting or changes gears at random times, the shift solenoid may be failing. A damaged solenoid can send inconsistent signals to the transmission, causing rough and unpredictable shifting. Over time, this can place extra stress on internal transmission components. 4. Transmission warning light. A transmission warning light or check engine light can also point to a bad shift solenoid. Modern vehicles constantly monitor transmission performance, and when abnormal pressure or shifting problems are detected, the system stores trouble codes and activates the warning light.
5. Slipping gears. Gear slipping is another serious symptom. This happens when your transmission unexpectedly changes gears or struggles to stay in the selected gear. You may suddenly lose power while driving, especially during acceleration. A failing solenoid can interrupt the fluid pressure needed to keep gears properly engaged. 6. Strange transmission noises. Grinding, whining, clunking, or unusual noises during shifting may also indicate a bad shift solenoid. When transmission fluid flow becomes unstable, gears may not engage correctly, creating strange sounds from inside the transmission system. 7. Hesitation during acceleration. If your vehicle hesitates or feels confused when accelerating, the shift solenoid could be responsible. The transmission may struggle to select the correct gear because the fluid pressure is no longer being controlled properly. This can make acceleration feel inconsistent and frustrating.
8. Limp mode activation. Many modern vehicles enter limp mode when serious transmission problems are detected. In this mode, the vehicle limits speed and locks the transmission into one gear to prevent further damage. A faulty shift solenoid is one of the common reasons this safety feature activates. 9. Poor fuel economy. A bad transmission shift solenoid can also reduce fuel economy. Because the transmission isn't shifting efficiently, the engine may stay at higher RPMs longer than necessary. This forces the engine to work harder and consume more fuel during normal driving. 10. Burning smell. A burning smell coming from your vehicle should never be ignored. When the shift solenoid fails, transmission fluid may overheat due to improper circulation and increased friction. Overheated fluid can damage internal transmission parts and eventually lead to expensive repairs if left unchecked.
So those were the 10 most common signs of a bad transmission shift solenoid. Catching these symptoms early can help prevent major transmission damage and save you from costly repairs later on. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful car repair videos here on FixPro Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.